Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix Google Chrome browser issue voice search has been turned off. So whenever you are trying to search anything with your voice, so this type of irritating error you are facing on your browser. To fix this issue guys, watch this video till and very carefully. So in your Google Chrome browser guys, on the top right side corner you can get three dots. Just tap on it. From here you need to open these settings. Okay, in the settings guys, scroll down and open the site settings. In the site settings, open the microphone, and here just you need to check the microphone was enabled or not. In case the microphone was not enabled, you need to enable the microphone from here. Okay, and in the same section guys, if you have added any website on the block list of your microphone, just you need to remove that website from the block list. So I have not added any website on the block list. If you have added, you need to remove that website. Okay, so after this guys, now try to use your microphone on your browser. Hopefully this time it will fix your problem. In case guys still you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings guys, go to apps and notification, and here go to all apps. Okay, and here you can get the all installed app on your device. Here you need to find out Google Chrome. Just scroll down and find out Chrome. Just open it and go to the permissions, and here you need to check the microphone option was enabled or not. In case the microphone option was disabled, you need to enable it from here. After enabling, now let's check your problem was solved or not. In case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, open the Chrome browser in the phone settings and go to the storage. Now you need to clear the caches and the storage of your browser. Okay, after this guys, you need to restart your device one time. After restarting, go to the Google Play Store, and if the app update was available, so please update the Google Chrome browser from the Google Play Store. After updating, 100% it will fix your issue guys. So these are the methods to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.